Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change OBS video format 2024. So firstly, let's go to OBS. After opening OBS, you have to click on this settings option and open the settings. After opening settings, you'll find here output. Click on output, then scroll down till you find recording format. This one recording format. Just click on this drop down menu and you'll find many formats: flash video, mkv, mp4, mov, mp4, mov, ts, any uh, format you can use from here. Okay, so this is how you can check or you can change video format in OBS. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.